Today we're going to show you how to install your HC series of 16 ohm in-ceiling speakers. This is going to apply to all the different sizes of our HC-16 ohm speakers, whether you have the 5¼ inch, the 6½ inch, or 8-inch versions. Now these can be installed in both sheetrock or ceiling tiles, but the process to install them in either is exactly the same. We are going to be demonstrating on a ceiling tile. So first you are going to take the included paper cutout guide and lay it on your ceiling tile. Then using a blade, you are going to cut a hole following the cutout guide. Once you have your hole, you are going to take your grill remover tool that comes included and remove the grill off of your speaker like this. Once you have the grill off, you will be able to see these 4 Phillips screws here on the speaker. You are going to place the speaker through the hole and screw the 4 screws, which will pull the speaker into place into the ceiling tile. Depending on how you mount it, it may be easier to attach the speaker wire first while holding it near the ceiling than putting the speaker in. This may be easier if the ceiling does not have tiles that can be easily pulled down. Now wiring is super easy to do with the black and red push terminals. You just push and place the wire in. Just match the black wire to the black negative terminal of your speaker and the red or positive wire to the positive terminal on your speaker. If you want a super clean look in your space, you're going to want to make sure to run all of the speaker wire through your ceiling and into your wall before you install the speakers. Then you just place the speaker into the ceiling and make sure to connect the wires you ran into your amplifier or receiver. And remember, these speakers are 16 ohms, so if you have a standard 4 ohm stable amp or receiver, you can run 4 of these speakers in parallel off of each channel for a total of 8 speakers to 1 amp. If you need help wiring your speakers in parallel, you can check out this video we made that'll teach you everything. So hopefully this video showed you how easy it is to set up your HC-16 series of 16 ohm in-ceiling speakers. But if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support tech team through phone or email. We'll see you guys in the next one.